Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this second part of creating your first blog post, I'm going to quickly run you through a few more blogs, like how to embed YouTube videos, upload songs, PDF, Word documents, any other file. But before, I've quickly created a couple more blog posts. As you can see, our page is looking pretty good. So let's get started. Click on add new. Let's see. Okay, so maybe you want to do a profile of a musician or something like that. I have a friend, so deaf kid, artistic impression. Okay. Actually, deaf kid is a friend of mine. You know, he has something creative, I think. So let's add. I'll keep off using embeds at the moment. I tried it. I don't know whether it's because I'm using a local host. That is why I can't get the embeds to work. But a more safer way is to use custom HTML when I'm dealing with YouTube videos. So in case you have a video, this is my homie deaf kid. You can check his music out. It's pretty cool. So you click on share and click on embeds. So you just copy all these, Control C to copy the code, and Control V to paste. You can click here to preview it. So there we have it. Let me grab some dummy text. So let's let me see. I'm looking for something. Okay, let's put a pull quote and let's see. Maybe. So or something like this. And let's add a verse in case maybe we have a couple of lines of his song you want to add. So this is where we put in a verse. So let me go to the direction. Okay. Control C to copy. You can even right click and paste. Let's not forget about our almighty categories. So lifestyle and music. So music, arts, Ghana. Okay, you get a drift. So let's go to pixels. Have this. I think we choose this custom size. Let me show in folder. Right click to show in folder. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Let's probably should take a look at how our blog is doing. Refresh our page. So here we have it. So here's the music. Here's the verse. I think, I don't know, let me see what we can do about this. Maybe we should format it a bit. Yeah, I think so. Let me cut the rest off. Let's see. Okay, so we have a couple of verses of his music. I think we should add some spacing at the bottom. Space. Space. I think so. Let me see. Can we do any format? Okay, so this is the height of it. So you can, let me choose 15 pixels and see. It's not, let me update. Okay, so we have a couple of spacing in the song. So that's pretty much how you can embed videos from YouTube's. Let's go for another. What again? Yeah. So let's create one more post, or now you can embed, or yeah, you can upload music or a PDF or a Word document. So I have another friend who's also a musician, Danny Beno. So let me set, and did I set the categories? Yeah, okay, I have the categories. Let me go to our front page. Yeah. There you go. It's fire. I don't know anything. I think we can get his video. As I search, let me just look for, I don't know, So Cold. I have a video by So Cold. So let me look for an image to represent. Let me see, cold ones. So let me start by rewriting a power. Okay, no. Okay. Let's start by writing a verse. Same thing that we did. I copy and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is okay. Let me put in a space. 10 pixel. And let me add a custom HTML. So click on share, embed, and you can copy. Okay, before I do this, let me delete it. Let's create a 2-column layout. So let's embed a video here. I want to try something out. And what can we do here? So I think I have a music. So let's try to embed the music under common blocks. So let's add an audio track. You can click on upload. I think I have it. So I have a song by him, barcodes. You click, okay, maximum file load. Okay, so when you get that error, that's the maximum file load size. Let's go to Explorer, htdocs. Let me open it, and this is focal point here. That's what we want. So this file, htss file, to open it, I'll paste in the code in the link. I'll paste in the code below where you can just copy and paste this file. Pretty simple. So we are setting the maximum upload file to be 64 megabytes. Control S to save, and let's try again. So let me first publish. Let me see what I've done. So let me try it again and upload this and see. I don't know, maybe I have to delete the whole block. I don't know why I'm still having that error. Let me go to my music library. File start is 2 megabytes. How come? Let me refresh it. Okay, so you just have to refresh your page. So now our maximum file upload size is 64 megabytes. So this is the music file. Okay. So here we have it. Let me upload and see. Did I? Okay, let me set the categories first. I want everything to be pretty neat. Lifestyle music, then again, hip hop. I think so. You get a point. Let me just. Okay. Let me look at this image. Custom image size so that everything looks uniform. Okay. Let me update and see. Refresh your front page. So yeah, here we have it. So even though it's 2 columns, so now you see one is overlapping each other. So with the iframe, we can change the default width and height. So we can 200. I mean the height is okay. So okay, 200 by 200. So you can. I don't know whether with this we can't do anything about it. But there's a few things. Whether if you want to auto loop, if you want to loop when it plays, preload, nothing. Auto loop, that means when the person automatically opens the pages, the music automatically plays. So you know you can play around with this thing. So let me try 300 and see. Let me. So you have a verse. So here is it. Let's add another space. I don't know. I think this thing. Space. So let me show you how. Did I add a space? Oh. No. Click on enter. There's another block. So common blocks. Let's add a PDF. Multimedia library. I already have a PDF here. You can use a Word document. I mean, Excel sheet. So you can update. Let's refresh the page. So I need to download to your home page. You can change the text. Click to download the whole verse. So here's it. Pretty simple. So I think I'll end here on how to create a first blog post. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You can play around with it, and as you play around with it to get familiar with all the blogs, it's pretty easy. Now our blog is looking well arranged, real neat, everything is uniform. Yeah. So in the next video we'll create our pages and we'll deal with the footer. Yeah. So thanks for joining, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like our page, hit the subscribe button or the bell button for notification on when I post a new blog, post a new video content. There will be more coming out. I'll appreciate if you like my page. Thank you.